Hello, Pestilence here with a whole bunch of locks. So, what I did was I bought a 36 padlock lot on eBay. And as you can see, there's a whole bunch of master locks. Why on earth would I buy a whole bunch of master locks? Well, not for the master locks, certainly. Even though it was certainly tempting to get the free keychain, a WCW keychain, with Buff Bagwell, although that offer has long since expired, much like Buff Bagwell's career. So, put that there. I had to send away for that. Anyway, a whole lot of different master locks, some newer, some more on the vintage side, I would think. I did find a couple of interesting things. Why I'm wearing a glove and a glove is because these things are dirty. It's hard to wash my hands. And here is a number 12, I believe it said. And it's got a gold finish on it. There's the keyway. I don't know if you can really get a good look at that or not. It's not your standard warded lock keyway, so that's it looks like a dog bone. Anyway, so that's a nice little lock, and another little added bonus was this little master lock with the key, and it works really nicely. Let's see. What does it say? Looks like number 9. Yeah, so that works really nice. Certainly a master lock worth owning. Okay, so what else did I get with this? I will tell you what I was actually aiming for when I bought this, but I'm going to make you suffer through some of the other ones first. And it's got a Royal Certified Brass Lock, which is a warded lock, and I used my warded keys to open that up. It has nice old Simmons. Looks like a nice push key. It has, and I'm not sure who this is made by. It's got a key, and it's got a smaller one here, but this one has Germany on it. And the shackle is squared. You can see on the top. Whereas this one seems to be more of a rounded one. So could be two different makers. Maybe so, maybe no. Not really sure. It's got a 5-disc rustless. It seems to have some rust on it. Or maybe that's just a patina. You can't really tell by that, but this is a Dudley. And we've got some Yales. A nice large Yale here. these. And one of these with the round shackle on it. The ones that I have, the other ones that I have the flat shackle. And a Yale combination lock. An American lock. Kind of consider that to be a bonus. Series 5530. It came with keys, and the keys did not go to this. They did kind of fit in there, but was for a completely different lock. Then I've got Fraim. I've got Slaymaker. If you're going to fall down, get over there. A couple of those and one of these Slaymakers. And I've got a Fraim. I've got three Slaymakers and a Fraim Slaymaker. So we're running the gamut there. And a couple of Reese. And here is another Slaymaker. And I'll get back to these two here. Well, maybe I'll talk about them now. What I found interesting was on the internet, it said that this was for use on an antique car to lock up the spare tire. And this one, it said, was to lock up a 1926 Ford spare tire. Here's the original key. Kind of sticky. Okay. I'll have to work on that. That's strange. There is more resistance going that way than there is going the other way. Okay, well, it says on here number 1926, and it has patents applied for on the bottom. Now I found information on this one and on this one on a website for old collectibles for cars, keys and things like that. And this slides down, but see there's this little part here that prevents this from sliding off all the way. And as you can see, it locks into this piece here, which must fit into part of the spare tire. And when you push it up all the way, it locks into this. The lock part locks into that. There was another part that fit down here that must have been another lock, but it was not with this, was not included, so must have gotten lost at some point in time. So anyway, really nice 1926 lock for 1926 Ford. Now, the reason, well, I'll show you this one too. Here's another little one. I'm not sure who made this one. It does not say, but it has the little flap for the key, which is nice. So I liked the look of that one. But the main thing that I was trying to buy was this. I do believe that this is a Russian lock, and whether or not it's of the same date as the other ones that I have that are Imperial Russian locks, I'm not really sure. The difference between those and this one is that this one has a key, and obviously wasn't found in the dirt, because a lot of the ones that I find on like Etsy and places like that are locks that have been dug up, that were found with metal detectors and that sort of thing. It does work. Takes a little. There we go. So if you can see inside there, it does move that. Okay, so there's the, looks like to be an original key. Now the other ones that I have, I believe they were dated like the late, somewhere in the 1800s. Obviously pre-communism, which was 1917. So this was what I was after, primarily because it had the key, and so I really wanted that. And of course this is a nice little lock, and I was really surprised to find out about the frames, the frame and the frame slayer, as being as old as they were, or at least that they were for antique cars. So I thought that was nice. And some of the other ones, like this one, that's nice. Even that one. And of course the American lock. It's always nice to get another American. After I bought two others. And more Yale locks, of course. So that's what I have. And I think that covers just about everything. So thank you for watching. Take care. Stay legal. Bye.